To control what happens when it comes to white space in the incoming data, we can set another property on the configuration, namely the trim options property. This property takes one of the trim options enum values. By default, this is trim option none, which means none of the spaces are removed, as we saw in the previous demo. We can also set this to trim options.trim. This will remove white space around the values. So for example, if you had a value contained inside some quotes, the trim options.trim value wouldn't remove any white space inside the quotes, but it would remove any white space outside the quotes in that field. But if you did want to trim beginning and ending spaces inside quotes, you could choose the inside quotes enum value. In this case, we don't have any values inside quotes in our file, so we're going to use the trim value. Let's run the file once again to see this in action, and we'll once again run data5.csv. Once again, we get the 3 records output, but notice this time we don't have any additional space around the values. Let's see next how we can configure blank line handling.